there's just something nice about not seeing what you're shooting and just kind of gut feeling, hoping for the best, really. It's like every time, I mean, I'm pretty good at what I do. It's like I know what I do. I've been doing it for a long time, but then there's always that slight sense of oh man, what if I messed it up? Zach Parks from Spartanburg, South Carolina. I mean, I was born here. Grew up in Pacolet, in between Pacolet and Buffalo, so just a little Mill Hill kid. I think it's the developing really is I love. When you pull it out of the tank for the first time, you see the negatives, and that's such a sense of accomplishment that I personally just don't get from digital. Something about I think my thing with film cameras so much is I don't trust the camera to make the judgment for me. Even on digital, I'm I know you can do the manual settings and everything, but I'm still just I don't know if I trust you. I knowing that it's where I set it, and if I screw it up, it's my fault, not the camera's fault. That way I know how to fix it. That's a good question. It's always a hard one to answer too, because it's there's no logical reason, It's because it's cheap. For me, it's more of just a feeling kind of thing. I don't know, when I go out to shoot, if I'm going out with a digital camera, it's just not the same to me. It's pushing the shutter, feeling the actual shutter hit. You heard the Pentax, man, that big mirror, just mirror slap. I love it. Yeah, I love that sound. Zach Parks from Spartanburg, South Carolina.